Welcome to Mindfulness Flow, day 323 of the 365 Days Meditation Challenge. Today's meditation is called Unhurried Breath, a moment to let your breathing guide you back into ease. Let's begin by taking a deep breath and slowly exhale. Let your breath set the pace. Let it be unhurried, natural, and steady. No pressure to breathe a certain way, just allowing your body to find its own calm rhythm. Now, say to yourself, I slow down inside. I trust my breath, and I release the rush. Let every breath loosen what feels tight and soften what feels heavy. When you are ready, bring yourself back to the present and carry this slower rhythm with you through the day. Thank you for joining me on Mindfulness Flow. I'll see you tomorrow for another day of inner peace.